What's up everyone, Phillip Francis here with you with another brand new video for you here today. Today I'm going to show you how to make dal or dal fry a little bit towards the restaurant style. This is my version of making it. Very simple dish and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So without further ado, let's head on to the kitchen. And before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. There's a link below, down below. Click the link down below to subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow the channel as well. So let's head on to my kitchen. Here I have a cup of Toor Dal, or otherwise known as split pigeon peas, and I have another cup of Masoor Dal or pink lentils, which will go into a bowl along with the Toor Dal. Now I have washed and rinsed the lentils and I've put water, added water to them, and I'm gonna let them soak for about 30 minutes. Then pressure cook them. Now I have added the lentils to a pressure cooker. Along with it, we'll add the following ingredients and then pressure cook it on high flame for 1 whistle and let it simmer. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste, and 2 teaspoons of oil. After 1 whistle, set aside the pressure cooker and let it cool down. It'll take about another 10 to 15 minutes, and then the lentils will be ready to be used to prepare the dal. The dal is now ready to be used in the dal tadka preparation, which will be the next step. Here we have our initial basic ingredients that is required for a dal. We've got 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, a few curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, and about 4 to 5 green chilies chopped. Now let's cook the dal tadka, and for this you would either need a kind of a wok or Kadi or even a deep bottom based pan. I like to use something like this, which makes life easy as well. Yeah, so let's head on. Now add a quarter cup of oil or 10 tablespoons of oil, 5 to 10 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder. Saute them, brown them a little bit, and then next we'll add the onions. Now we'll add the onions first. Along with the curry leaves as well. And the right red chilies and the green chilies as well, and saute them for a minute. Saute the onions till they are translucent or close to a golden brown color. after sauteing the onions for about 2 minutes on medium to low flame, it's time to add the ginger garlic paste. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute the ginger garlic for about 2 minutes or so, and then we add the tomatoes next. Saute the tomatoes till they become soft. Cover and cook for about 2 to 5 minutes on low flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder or 1.25 teaspoons of chili powder, depending on your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, dried fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or otherwise known as hing. Add another teaspoon of salt. Saute them well for about a minute or so on low flame. Mix it nicely, and now add 1 cup of water or water according to the consistency you might like. Once you've added the water and given it a quick mix to get the desired consistency, cover it with a lid and let it boil once. Also add the coriander leaves to it and give it a mix. About 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Once the dal starts boiling, turn off the gas and it's ready to be served. Garnish with coriander leaves. Here we have the final dish. Now I chose not to add butter or ghee to the dish just for healthy reasons, but if you like, you can add about 1/2 tablespoon of butter to this dish and it will taste even more delicious. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed the recipe as well. If you like the recipe, try it out, give the video a thumbs up. Love to hear your feedback and comments in the comment section down below. So until next time, this is your pal Phil, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and help us grow the channel as well. Share the video with your friends and family. And without further ado, it's time for me to say bye once again, and I'll see you next time. Your pal Phil.